It wasn't the maximum price, but it was a higher price. Because some of them were El Cheapo, and I said, I ain't doing that.
AirTech is a okay aftermarket, but Delphi is GM.
Right.
That's what they mess with. Oh, they're like skinny as a
So we're
blade.
putting the fuel pump back on here. Getting our ring back in place.
Which can be a bear. Thank you guys.
If you guys have been looking, this is my 1990 K1500 that we're replacing the fuel pump because the truck started dying on me unless I kept it running. So, and the fuel gauge was acting wonky for a few months also. So we know the pump and the sending unit was heading south. And the mobile mechanic Chris here from the south side of Atlanta has come all the way up here to knock this boy out with no problem. And yeah, we lowered the tank down instead of doing the bed removal because this is the southern truck, so it was not all that rusty underneath, and the bolts came out with not a big problem. So if you live in Metro Atlanta and you'd like a mobile mechanic who will come to you and knock out, especially the older GM stuff. He's into all that older GM product.
That's right.
And he will come to you. So we'll put a link to his contact info in the description, and y'all give him a buzz if you're looking for somebody who knows the old school way and seemingly honest fella.
That's right.